MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Hum by Verizon, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Toyota has been trying to change the Camry's narrative for a while now, infusing more and more luxury and excitement into their family staple with each new generation. 2 months with our long-term 2018 Camry, and we have to say they've made significant progress.
Our XSE uses the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and we think most Camry prospects will be pleased with the power. The new 8-speed automatic transmission can be a bit slow to downshift for passing, but the smooth upshifts and light steering make it a breeze to drive around town.
We are already closing in on 5,000 mostly highway miles, and our mileage has jumped way up to 35.3 miles per gallon. Every one of them has been pleasurable and increasingly entertaining.